Hey Castaways, RumShopRyan here and the beautiful Castaway Crystal behind the lens. We are on Honeymoon Beach, St. John. We just can't stay away from this place. I know we were just here like a few months ago, but honestly, Honeymoon Beach is a beautiful, beautiful beach. And one of the things we like most is that right there, bikinis on the beach. One of the best beach bars, I think, on St. John. And we are a little thirsty, so we're gonna go make a painkiller, and we're gonna show you how to make it, and we're gonna drink it, and we're gonna tell you how amazing it is. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome to Bikinis on the Beach, what I think is one of the best beach bars on St. John. And I'm here with my man D. How's it going, D?
What's up, Ryan?
Great to meet you. I guess we're gonna make a painkiller today, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
So tell us about the painkiller, what's in it, and why everybody has to have one.
No problem, no problem. Well, what I'll do is I'll grab you a cup of ice. I'm gonna add both white and dark rum. That's how I like to do it. And then I've got a mix of pineapple juice, orange juice, and Coco Lopez that we're gonna add in there. We're gonna shake it up and add some nutmeg on top, and we'll have ourselves a drink.
I can't wait. So we are gonna go make this on the beach, because safety first up here. So when you come to Bikinis on the Beach right now during this time, we are going to be very safe, but we're gonna go make this on the beach and take these masks off. They're a little hot and sweaty, aren't they?
They're a little hot. We'll practice some social distancing and have ourselves some drinks.
Let's do it. All right, we brought the painkiller party to the sand. I cannot think of a better place to make a painkiller than right on the beach.
This is where it's at, man.
So show us how it's done.
All right. So, of course you want to have some ice, and I'm going to use these pretty cool silly pints that we have with our painkiller recipe on the back for bikinis on the beach. We want to save the sea turtle, so we're going to reduce our plastic usage and whatnot. Of course you're going to add your ice. And once again, I like to use white and dark rum, so go ahead and pour those in there.
Yes.
All right. And then I've got the orange juice, our Coco Lopez, and our pineapple juice all pre-mixed right here. I'm just going to pour right into that cup.
Give it a little
Pour. A little nutmeg.
Yes.
And there's your painkiller on the beach.
So guys, when you guys come to St. John, come get a painkiller with D at Bikinis on the Beach on Honeymoon Bay. Cheers.
Cheers.